Well, people are still wondering, where is my vaccine? Now, you have a lot of questions, and it doesn't help that there's a lot of confusion involved here. But today, the push to get more vaccine into communities takes a big step forward. Thousands of people a day will be able to get the vaccine at a new site at the Dignity Health Sports Park in Carson.
It's an important development for a community in need. More now from NBC-4's Patrick Healy.
A pop-up COVID vaccination site of major scale in Carson, en route to giving 4,000 doses today, 20,000 for the week. The first recipients almost entirely local community members notified through direct outreach.
By throwing an event of this size, we felt like we could touch more people.
This collaboration between Dignity Health and AEG at their sports park had been in planning for weeks. AEG CEO Dan Beckerman.
To be able to make a difference in our local surrounding community like this, it's a no-brainer for us.
As it timed out, this opening comes just days after the release of state vaccination data showing some demographic groups, including Black and Latinx, so far getting disproportionately fewer. Dignity Southwest CEO Julie Springle, herself a nurse, told us this event was planned with equity in mind.
We kept it under wraps so that we could reach out to those communities and give them the first opportunity.
Touching someone to say, I love you.
Encouragement to get vaccinated coming from moms in a new series of public service announcements this week from State Public Health. St. John's Well Child and Family Center among the clinics that have had success getting vaccine to underserved communities, continuing to receive supply when allocations to some of the regional drive-up sites have been reduced. But CEO Jim Manja worries what will happen when California switches tomorrow to more centralized distribution.
My concern is that if we extract the vaccine distribution out of the local players who know the community, that we may wind up with a significant period of lower equity.
Meantime, more vaccine is also going to pharmacies, not just the major chains, but independent shops, including Aviva Pharmacy in Long Beach.
We think the independent pharmacy can truly bridge the gap in providing the vaccine.
And indeed, there has been a learning curve in this unprecedented vaccine rollout. There has been this shift towards trying to get the vaccines more into the communities rather than relying on these mega sites from which people will drive all over the county. Now, this Dignity Health Sports Park site we've been talking about, it will remain open for the rest of the week, and you can try to get a reservation at the myturn.ca.gov website. This site, again, just this week, it will return in 4 weeks for those second doses. Reporting live, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.